Welcome to our guide on using Map-OG analysis to improve urban transportation accessibility by identifying areas with limited access and prioritizing optimal locations for new railway stations. The core concept revolves around leveraging Map-OG to pinpoint underserved areas and determine prime locations for new railway stations, thereby improving transportation connectivity in urban settings. Our focus is within the transportation domain, specifically on addressing challenges related to transportation accessibility and infrastructure development. Let's dive into the process and explore how Map-OG analysis can be applied to enhance transportation accessibility in urban areas. Step 1. Begin by uploading city point data and railway line data into the Map-OG. Click on the Add Upload button and choose Add GIS Data. Here you search the country name and choose the railway data, and click on the Add button. Similarly, add the city point data. Step 2. Name the untitled map and rename the layer for better visualization. Step 3. Customize the visualization of railway point data for better analysis. Click on the Style Data button and choose Basic Style. Here choose the layer and set the line color. Click on the Save Style button. Step 4. Generate isochrones for city points to visualize reachable areas within specific travel times. Click on the Process Data button and choose Isochrones. Here select the layer and set the duration. Click on the Submit button. Let's change the isochrones color to enhance the visualization. Step 5. Utilize proximity analysis to identify the nearest and most accessible railway stations from each isochrone. Click on the Analyze Data button and choose to Layer. Here set the Finding feature and selected layer. Click on the Next button. Here you choose the Field and option. Click on the Get Result button. Here you can see the finding features. Step 6. Export the map showcasing transportation accessibility for stakeholder evaluation and decision-making. Through Map-OG analysis, we uncover areas with limited access to the railway network, highlighting the need for new station placements. Proximity analysis helps identify optimal locations for new railway stations, thus enhancing transportation accessibility within cities. In conclusion, Map-OG emerges as a valuable tool for improving transportation accessibility within urban environments. Thanks for exploring Map-OG analysis with us. Be sure to check out our other powerful analysis tools for further insights and solutions.